Beverly Carlard's asked Jordan Noor to get her to her wedding renewal on time, which makes him happy, and me question her judgment.
When I walk you down the aisles, I'll see our matching tattoos.
I know.
Yeah.
We'll have a good day, won't we?
We'll have a great day.
I'm starving you.
Yeah.
Paella.
Paella!
Funny you should say that, because just 10 minutes drive from Valencia is this, L'Albufera, one of Spain's largest lakes.
That's the rice field.
Is it?
Albufera's wetlands provide the perfect conditions for rice plantations, which is why this place gave birth to Spain's tastiest dish. No, not Antonio Banderas, paella.
We're going to meet a family who are making paella for...
And we're joining them.
And we're joining them. That's why I asked you to put your best frock on.
I know.
And you look fantastic.
We've gone all posh.
We scrub up well.
This is organic farmer Miguel Minguet, whose family has been feeding off the land here for generations.
Jordan and Beverly, welcome to Valencia. Welcome to the place where the rice arrived in Europe.
The first rice fields in Europe?
Yes.
That is fascinating.
And it's more than 1,000 years ago.
Wow.
It's a long tradition with rice. Yeah. And you know what we do with that? We can do the paella.
Paella?
You know
We can't wait. Fabulous.
Let's do it.
Yes.
We don't have to go and get the rice, though, do we?
No.
No, I've got good shoes on.
Miguel's family have been making paella for centuries. Around the same amount of time it'll take to teach his new recruits the recipe.
Okay, you have here your ingredients. Jordan, you have the chicken, we have the rabbit.
What's that, sorry?
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit, okay.
Yeah, rabbit. And Beverly, we have the ingredients for a vegetarian paella.
Thank you.
Did somebody say paella?
So is this pan called la paella? La paella?
Paella.
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 You, it's paella.
Paella.
No. Paella.
Paella.
No. Paella.
Paella.
Perfect.
Paella.
Paella or paella. 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 They say it differently to us.
Jordan, you can add the chicken.
Just get it all in?
Yes. That's it. Yes. And Beverly, you can add this.
Because John proposed to me in Spain.
Try not to get it on my nice new T-shirt.
I really want to be able to do a proper traditional paella and transfer that to our celebration day.
You are doing a great job.
Did you hear that, Jordan? I'm doing a great job.
Jordan, you have to look your meat.
Sorry.
In other words, could you concentrate, please?
You're loving this.
I am loving it. Does my fire need stoking?
Yeah.
She's being what we call a flirt back in Britain, Miguel.
Do you know what? I'm so not. I'm so not. I'm being very professional. I always said I will never do a cooking programme.
We're like the hairy bikers.
Thanks a lot.
I meant because we're travelling and we're cooking outside.
Yes. Oh, no, I get you.
That's what the hairy bikers do. Why, hey, man, and welcome to the hairy bikers. We're in Spain with Beverly and Miguel.
Why, yay.
And we're cooking paella.
Paella.
Paella. Sorry.
Paella.
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 Well, now is the moment for the rice.
OK.
That's it. OK, now is just wait for 18 minutes, OK?
OK, so maybe I could have a glass of wine now?
Ah, it's good. You are very good.
Yes, fantastic. Yay!
Jordan, we need about 15, 20 minutes to fry very well the meat.
See you later.
So she's done now. Are you actually having a glass of wine?
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake. Cooking paella in 40-degree heat in the middle of Spain, in the middle of the summer, is not easy.
OK, Jordan, now we're going to put the vegetables.
Tomatoes.
Yes. That's it. It's so beautiful. And now, the most important moment.
The rice.
That's it. Perfect. Is the first time you do it?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Really?
You are doing better than Beverly.
Oh, okay. I won't tell her that. I will.
Yeah. And now you're going to wait 16 minutes, not more.
Oh, 16.
16, sorry. 16.
Oh.
No, 16, no.
Okay.
Oh, Jordan, I'm exhausted. I've been slaving over a cold wine glass.
I'm slaving over a hot stove here.
Is mine still better?
Of course, Beverly.
Of course.
I was telling that Jordan 1 minute ago.
Oh, really? I think he might be a bit two-faced. Yeah.
Is your work?
3 generations of Miguel's family are about to pass judgment. Beverly and Jordan can't even pronounce paella, but can they cook it?
I'm nervous now. Looks good.
Smells delicious.
It does smell.
Tanto que luego hay-
Oh, gracias. Food!
Food.
Yes!
Competition.
Yeah.
Oh!
This lot eat paella every week, so I do not envy the chefs. It's down to a show of hands. Beverly first.
No, Beverly, por favor, manos arriba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jordan.
When the vote came out, it was 50-50, so it was really good, I thought.
Salute! Pleased to meet you. Yeah. Miguel!
We're just really honoured to be part of this Spanish family.
I love that.
It's not the food, it's the coming together of families and socialising, and that's what it's mainly all about.
You just know they're like that. 3 and 4 times a week, all getting together. I think, if possible, we could all do with more of that.
You know, my parents, tomorrow is the anniversary.
How many years?
Yo tengo el cielo ganado y todo.
43 years.
43 years.
This is my best day so far. We just had a proper Spanish family meal, and it was really emotional and really moving. I loved it.
What is their secret?
¿Cuál es el secreto de tantos años de matrimonio?
Love. Very, very love.
Oh, that's so... Oh, look at this!
It made me think about what is coming up. Our celebration for John and I.
Hello! Oh, I love your smile.
I'm here as well.
Hello, Jordan.
He is my life. I believe we have a love like no other. And today made me think about that more than ever.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye, John. I love you too.
Love you, baby.
Bye.
Bye. This is a great country, and yeah, this has been the best night so far. It was just fantastic. It really was.
You have the most wonderful family.
And for you, Beverly, and your wedding in Mojaca.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
If they're ever in the UK, if they're ever in Burnley, I'll repay the favour. I'll make them corned beef hash instead of paella or sausage and mash, or maybe a Sunday roast. I'll make them a big Sunday roast.